So if you're a new trader and you're looking for a way of becoming profitable, are you going to wait until you learn price action, or you can use the moving average and all that to start to profit as you progress into price action? Yo guys, welcome to another video. Hope the last video inspired you guys. Some of you guys reacted in the comment section and you liked the video, which is really good. And some of you guys actually went ahead and subscribed to the channel. So I'm really grateful to you guys for subscribing, for supporting the channel. I'm looking forward to bringing you guys more content that will really help you in your trading career to see better days ahead. Okay, so today's video is just going to be more of a psychology kind of video that will really help you step up your game and see some profits coming into your Forex account, and hopefully see a better future for yourself and your family. So today I just wanted to dive into the topic that you saw in the video title: why Forex trading seems to be so hard and yet it is supposed to be really simple. Most of the people, when you go on the internet, when you go on YouTube, you find people saying Forex trading is really difficult, it cannot be mastered, you can't trade profitably. You find people saying 99% of the traders fail in the Forex market, which is actually correct. But what is the underlying reason behind it? That is what we have to ask ourselves, and how do we come up with a solution to that? Now, in today's video, just wanted to give you guys my thoughts, my opinion concerning the reason why Forex trading seems to be really hard and yet it is supposed to be very simple. Most of the people, when they come to trade, they wake up in the morning, they go on YouTube and check and look at a day in the life of a trader. They see traders waking up in the morning floating lots of money, and then they see lots of cars, Lamborghinis, Koenigseggs and all that kind of stuff. And then they think that is how trading is. Trading, yes, it has benefits. Yes, you will get better at it, and then you will see yourself getting Lamborghinis and all that. But if you go that path of hurriedly trying to get there, that is when you really start to complicate your trading. Okay, I've seen many people do that. If you try to hurry yourself in your steps to get to where you want to go very fast, you start to hit a dead end and you start to really make mistakes. That is when revenge trading comes in. When you take a loss, you start to say you're not supposed to take a loss, then you start to increase on your lot size, and then you start making mistakes that will really cost your account. So some of you then blow your accounts. Myself, I have blown many accounts because of revenge trading, and revenge trading is what causes you to lose most of the time, and that is really caused by you complicating your trading based on the fact that you are seeing people showing or flashing some of their success stories on YouTube, not knowing how much time they put in and how much effort they put in to succeed. You've seen people saying, okay, when you come to the Forex market, the only way you're going to succeed is when you use price action. Now, I have seen very many traders who are actually millionaires who are trading using moving averages. They use moving averages to trade. Some of them use Ichimoku to trade. Some of them use all sorts of indicators. Some of them are custom indicators. Some of them are on the MT4 app, both on the mobile and the computer itself. So I've seen people use indicators and they're successful with the indicators. So do not have this religious thinking that when you come to the Forex market, you have to listen to everything that all the Forex gurus are saying, that you have to learn price action. It's the only way that you're going to succeed. Yes, price action is very, very important in trading methodology generally, but don't think that when you use a 50 period moving average or a 20 period moving average or a 200 period moving average, you're going to fail. It is all about timing. Forex trading is all about timing. If you can time your entries on the 20 period moving average or 200 or 50 and you correctly time your entries, you can be a very successful trader, better than someone who is looking for candlestick formations. On the other hand, if you're doing your price action and you find your entry rules have been met, even if all your entry rules have been met but your timing is incorrect, your trade will not succeed. So in Forex, it's not about indicators, it's not about price action, it is all about psychology and timing. Those are the most important things when it comes to trading. So if you can just use your simple trading strategy data, it can even involve just a moving average. Very simple. Don't complicate it, don't make it hard for yourself, okay? Choose whatever works for you. If price action works for you, do it. I see people going on the internet and then they start hyping this issue of SMC, smart money concepts. They hype, they give it so much hype, they give hype to so many things that people talk about that seem to be the only way the trader is supposed to succeed. But that's not the only way the trader is supposed to succeed. A trader succeeds when he simplifies his trading, adds trading rules into his trading plan that are going to be followed strictly towards success. So the reason why Forex trading seems to be very difficult or complicated to the beginner and even people who have been trading for years is because when they go onto their charts, they look at the charts and then they start thinking, what am I supposed to do? I'm not supposed to put their moving averages in my chart. I'm not supposed to use any indicators. I am supposed to use only price action. And that can limit you, because if you don't know how to use price action, because price action takes years for you to master, and market structure takes years to master. So if you're a new trader and you're looking for a way of becoming profitable, are you going to wait until you learn price action, or you can use the moving average and all that to start to profit as you progress into price action? So use what you have, make your trading very simple for you. Don't use so many things on the charts, like don't put in so many, too much of everything is bad, okay? But use what works for you. Make your trading simple for yourself. I've seen people, like when you go on YouTube, most of the educators, they sell to you courses which have 100 videos. Some of them even have up to 150 videos. I've personally spent about $6,000 on courses which actually teach the same thing. You find someone teaching you smart money concepts, you find someone teaching you trend line breaks, teaching Fibonacci, teaching the same thing. Almost all of them have the same concept, okay? It is all a matter of simplifying these things. All Forex courses are based on about 4 things, based on fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentiment analysis, okay, and psychology. Those 4 things. That is the whole basis of all Forex trading. Psychology, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentiment analysis, okay? Within technical analysis, you must simplify your technical analysis. Either you choose to use your indicators or you use your price action if you know it. Make it as simple as possible by using those things that work for you. Develop a simple strategy that works for you. Don't put things into your mind that people are telling you that averages, moving indicators don't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. If it works for you, use it. It will simplify your life. So you find that people actually going through courses which are 40, 50, 60 videos. You don't need to watch 40, 50, 60, 70 videos to become a profitable trader or to become a professional at what you do. All you need is the basis of trading knowledge. That is, learn your technicals, learn your fundamentals, learn your sentiment analysis, manage your psychology, okay? If you can do those 4 things don't need 50, 60 videos to teach you how to do. Support resistance, demand and supply, Fibonacci, moving averages, that is all technical analysis. Then the news and the news announcements, CPI, PMI, okay? Those news releases like the interest rates, the CPI and all that, GDP release, those are all in the fundamentals. Then the sentiment analysis. The sentiment is how traders generally feel about the market, how many buyers are in the market compared to the sellers. So if you can understand that, manage your psychology, you are on your way to becoming successful. You don't have to go through 40, 50, 60 course videos, okay? But most people like to complicate trading by trying to look for that holy grail. Where is the liquidity in the market? They want to pinpoint everything. You can't pinpoint everything. You will not succeed if you do that, okay? Simplify your trading. Let your charts be clean. If you have an indicator, have maybe 2 or 3 indicators, 2 or 3 moving averages, maybe with the RSI to trade it. Or if you don't want to use the indicators, use your support and resistance. Define clear levels of support and resistance, or demand and supply zones, or order blocks, whatever you want to do or whatever you use. Define them clearly and make your chart as clear as possible. Define your profit targets, define your stop losses, okay? Use your psychology to your favor, okay? Don't overly complicate it. Don't draw so many lines. If you're a trend line break trader, if you're a person who trades trend line breaks, don't draw too many trend lines onto your charts. Make your chart as clear as possible or as readable as possible. Don't complicate your trading. It is very easy to become a good trader if you simplify everything, okay? Do a systematic breakdown of how you trade by laying out a simple forex trading plan. So I hope you guys will take this as a good advice to you guys. Hopefully you guys will give a like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you want to clarify something or want to suggest something. Leave comment down below. Let's discuss. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a like, help out the channel to grow. Till next time, peace.